Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to do holding in the Magknight 787 using the default FMS. I will refresh this tutorial once the custom one has come out, which is going to be very exciting. Anyway, as you can see here, we are descending through. This is probably when you'd most likely to do holding, but obviously you can do this during cruise or any time of flight. And we're very close to a waypoint. So the first thing to do, come down to the FMS, go to the legs page, click hold. I've already got hold here, so I'm just going to click new hold. This is how it will appear if you don't have a hold already done. And then you select the waypoint, and then simply put it in here. So this is what ATC would give you. You'd go through the pages, find the one you want, and then obviously put it in here. And then you click execute, and as you can see here, a hold has been executed. Very nice indeed. There's my second hold there. Now as we are about to enter the hold, you can see here all the relative info, so you can actually change this leg time. So if we wanted to go, we could go 1.3 minutes, and click execute, and then the hold, as you can see, is slightly shortened, but we'll go back to 1.5 minutes. And then the leg distance, it's obviously changed by the leg time. The max knots, you can also change that, and you can see here all the relative info. And yes, and as we enter the hold, now we've just entered the hold, so that means we now have the possibility of exiting the hold. So I'm just going to move this heading knob around as we go, as you do in Boeing aircraft. So now if we wanted to exit the hold, say ATC is saying exit the hold, we're trying to hold the altitude here. I'm still on LNAV and VNAV, by the way. And so we simply click exit hold, and then the exit is armed. So when we come back around, as you can see here on the ND, we are going to continue along our route, and you can still change all this relative info. So here's the course direct, the leg time. You can change this. The leg distance is defined by the leg time. It's in minutes, obviously. And there you go. And if you wanted to create a new hold, you would simply go new hold and then select the waypoint or the VOR or wherever you wanted to hold, and there you have it. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like if you liked the video and it was helpful, and I shall see you in the next one, not too far away. Thanks for watching.